In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in DaVinci Resolve with ease and efficiency. Whether you're new to video editing or simply looking to refine your skills, this quick guide will help you confidently navigate the process. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can manage your video tracks effectively. First, we're going to start by opening up DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and launch the software on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll want to locate the specific project you're working on or start a new one if you're beginning fresh. Familiarize yourself with the layout and make sure you can easily access your video tracks, which are typically found in the timeline area. Now, as you work through your video, you might notice that towards the end of your timeline, there's a rectangle shape with a distinct white border surrounding it. This shape indicates a particular element or clip in your project that might not be necessary for the final edit. It's important to recognize these segments, as they can inadvertently affect the flow and length of your final output. The next step is straightforward but crucial for tidying up your project. Click on the rectangle shape that we identified earlier. Make sure it's actively selected. You can tell if it's highlighted or outlined in a way that stands out against the other elements in your timeline. Once it's selected, simply hit the Delete key on your keyboard. This action removes the unwanted section, helping to streamline your video and eliminate any unwanted footage that might detract from your creative vision. With that done, you've completed this particular edit. Congratulations, you've just enhanced the structure of your video in DaVinci Resolve with a simple yet effective adjustment. This basic technique is a building block for managing more complex edits and refining your content to ensure that every second of your video is purposeful and engaging. Remember, the key to mastering video editing lies in paying attention to detail and making conscious decisions about what to include and exclude from your work. Experiment with your projects, learn from the adjustments you make, and over time, you'll find that managing your tracks and clips becomes second nature. Thank you for watching the guide today. By following along, you've taken an essential step towards creating polished and compelling videos. Keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun exploring all that DaVinci Resolve has to offer. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments or explore additional tutorials to keep honing your skills. Until next time, happy editing!